This indicator has a better win rate compared to the regular Supertrend. This is because the indicator is a combination of AI, volume, and Supertrend. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Backtesting channel. In this video, we will discuss the Volume Supertrend AI indicator. This indicator is a free AI indicator that you can use on the TradingView platform. Before we delve deeper into this indicator, let's add it to our trading chart. The first step is to open your TradingView application. Then, enter the indicator search column and type Volume Supertrend AI, and choose Volume Supertrend AI Expo by Zierman. If we compare it with the Supertrend indicator, this indicator will have some similarities and differences. Similar to the Supertrend indicator, it uses lines as trend guides. If the line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. If it's red, it indicates a bearish trend. The blue line represents a neutral trend and serves as an indicator of a trend change in the market. For example, if there is a change from a bearish trend to a bullish trend, the trend change will be initiated by the appearance of a blue line before it turns green. Similarly, if the trend is changing from bullish to bearish, the trend change will also be initiated by the appearance of a blue line before turning red. Additionally, we will see green and red dot points. The green dot is an indicator of the beginning of a trend change from bearish to bullish, while the red dot indicates the beginning of a trend change from bullish to bearish. We will also see green and red triangle symbols. The green triangle appears when there is a trend continuation. For instance, during a bullish trend, if the price undergoes a correction without changing the trend, a green triangle will confirm the continuation of the bullish trend. The same applies to a bearish trend. Now, let's move on to the settings of this Volume Supertrend AI indicator to see what can be adjusted. AI setting. In the AI setting, you can change the settings by adjusting the numbers. Changing the neighbor's numbers will also alter the trend lines accordingly. AI trend. Similar to the previous setting, you can change the numbers for AI trend. For instance, modifying the price trend or prediction trend numbers will change the color of the trend lines. Supertrend setting. For Supertrend settings, you can adjust the length, factor, and moving average source. For the moving average source, you can choose between SMA, EMA, WMA, or others, and the Supertrend line will change accordingly. However, for this video, we will use the default settings. Apart from being a trend guide, this indicator can also be used for buy and sell entries. You can use green and red points as well as triangle symbols for entry signals. As an example, during a change in trend from bearish to bullish, you can enter a buy position when the green dot appears. However, after our experiments, it seems this indicator is more effective when used solely as a trend guide. To determine entry points for buy and sell, let's add one more indicator. Go back to the indicator search column and type Andean Oscillator, then choose Andean Oscillator by Alex Grover. Then, go to the Andean Oscillator settings. In the Input tab, leave it in the default settings, then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the mark on the Signal tab, then click OK. The green line on this Andean Oscillator is the bullish component line, while the red line is the bearish component line. So, if the green line crosses the red line upwards, it is a buy signal. Conversely, if the red line crosses the green line upwards, it is a sell signal. In this example, we will use the British pound versus US dollar M15 pair. Therefore, set the pair to British pound versus US dollar and also set the time frame to M15. Now, let's discuss how to enter buy and sell positions using these indicators. By entry. If the Volume Supertrend AI line is green, our main focus is to find the best buy entry point. Wait for the Andean Oscillator to give a buy signal or wait for the green line to cross above the red line. As a final confirmation, ensure the candlestick formed is bullish. If all conditions are met, enter a buy position after the bullish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the latest swing low. Use a target take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 minute and 1.5 seconds. Sell entry. If the Volume Supertrend AI line is red, our main focus is to find the best sell entry point. Wait for the Andean oscillator to give a sell signal or wait for the red line to cross above the green line. As a final confirmation, ensure the candlestick formed is bearish. If all conditions are met, enter a sell position after the bearish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the latest swing high. Use a target take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 minute and 1.5 seconds. Every trade carries its own risks, and we advise you to always maintain proper money management and trading psychology. That concludes our video for now. See you in the next one.